is my friend from United States, fisherman. Yes, you working on a boat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oceana Kehlani.
Ocean. Tell me. I heard we don't have too much salmon this year.
Not this year.
Well, why? Well,
Sometimes, well, it's a late winter. Or late summer. It's about 2 weeks behind. So there's a current that comes from Japan, a hot water, warm water current that brings all the fish in. And, so it kind of skips. Like last year was really good. This year's a little slow. Next year will be better.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So it's just weird. It's like it should pick up. The humpies are coming in. You know, they usually show up around August like 7th. So this should be picking up.
Yeah.
They opened up more down west. They just closed everything over north or east.
A couple of weeks, so probably in a week we will have fish.
Yeah, we'll have good fish.
Yeah.
It's not going to be a great year, but I mean, everybody will make some money.
Yeah. Okay, ste čuli?